Welcome guys for this new video. So you have asked me a lot in my past video. In the comments you have asked me which university do I have to choose, which university is the best for me, which university do I have to choose to increase my chances to be accepted. So today I will show you how to choose your university according to your high school marks or according to your undergraduate diploma marks. So let's do not go further, so let's start. So in this video I will show you how to choose it yourself, how to do your own research for your university, for your Turkish university, and also prepared a shortcut and Excel file that help you find quickly which university that suits you. So without any delay, let's jump into my PC. So guys, here we are in my PC. So I made an application demo account to show you how to choose the university. So here we are in the preference, which university, so according to the department, of course. So let's see, here we have, for example, computer engineering. So at computer engineering we have bunch of university in front of us, dozen or so, couple of university actually. So we don't know which one to choose. So you are not Turkish, you are foreign, you don't know which university is the best, which university Swiss the best for me. So let's see. So if you want to do the research by your own, you just gotta go to Google, type 2021 ranking of Turkish university, you translate it into Turkish, you paste this, and you just gotta paste it into Google. So and you make your research. So here you have to just open the three pages that pop up in front of you. So if you want, and you can directly translate it into whatever language. For me it is French, but you can directly translate it into English. So let's say English. So it directly translates us into English, and we see the ranking of the universities. So the Turkish universities. So we have Hacettepe first, and my university, Karabük University, here is 63, and 166 all of the public and foundation university combined. So here it's not included. They did not include they included actually the private universities. So same thing here. So it is also another page, but it's the same thing actually. Here we have, let's see, the top three, for example, Hacettepe, Orta Doğu, Istanbul, Koç 5th, Koç here 5th, and also we have also here Koç is 5th. You see, so it is actually the same thing here. So we have, so it is the same thing. So you can make your own research like this. So for example, let's go back to our computer engineering department. Say for example Pamukkale. Let's see Pamukkale which ranking. So just Ctrl F, type Ctrl F, and then you see that Pamukkale it is in 43rd position. So it depends. So let me guys remind you something. So as I said before, according to your grades you have to choose university. So let's divide this into three separate types. So let's say excellent, good, and average. So let me remind you guys that in scholarship they don't accept weak or just let's say if you have 50%, at the end of the day it is what it is. It is a scholarship. So once that is said, so let's go back. So for those who don't want to make the research and all of it, so I made an Excel file, so which is really easy to manipulate, by the way. So I separate it into three types, so excellent, good, and average. So which mark is excellent, which one is good, and which one is average. So let's say excellent for those who have a mark of under, or no, let's say above 75% or 80%, let's say above 80%. So how it is 80? So we have in, so the grades might be different in French country as well as in English country or Portuguese country, I don't know. So the grades are different. So in French countries, not actually French country, but people that in country that use the French system, let's say. So if you have, for example, 15 under 20, so it is 75%. You can calculate it like this. Or some country use the 4 system, so if you have 3/4 is also 75%. So according to this, let's say so I made this Excel file. So let's say from 100 to 80 are excellent, and from 80 to 70, or let's say 65, and under 65. So for example, which university, for example, so let's say Firat University, or no, let's say Ege, for example. So for example, Ege, it is in the 10th, and so you gotta be excellent. So it is all according to your mark. So it might be, it is all, and let's see, for example, this university or Bursa Uluda. Bursa is 29. It is between, yeah, according to me, if you are excellent, choose Bursa. If you are not excellent, just choose, is your rate excuse me, if your grade is between 80 and 65%, so choose these universities, choose those ones. And if you are under 65%, so we choose between those universities. So I will put this file into a link, and you will find this in the description below. So it is all about what. So let's do another example. For example, computer engineering, they choose the big universities, so good rated universities. So let's say history, for example. History, you have all these university, and yeah, let's see, for example, this one, Sivas University. Control F, and Sivas. So Sivas 58. So if your grade is good, so choose Sivas. Sivas might suit you. Okay, so it helps you increase your chances. And say an example, Samsung. Let's see Samsung. Samsung is 31, so 31st, excuse me. So here we have Samsung. It is in the 31st place. So if your grade is good, so you can choose Samsung safely. Okay, and let's do another example. So we have let me remind you that you have 12 choices, so make them wisely and safely. So let's do a last example, guys. So let's see marketing. So this one, I don't know, this university was team. Let's see mathematics. So for example, let's see Sakarya. and Sakarya is into 26th place. So that belongs to the people that are excellent, or you are really confident about your candidature. If you are really confident about yourself, you can choose between those that are in green. So that's it guys for today's video. I hope that the video helped you, and in return I just ask you to drop a like to help me. So that's it. See you next time. Ciao ciao.